Remember when laundry was coming in heavy, bulky boxes? I'm Guillaume Lebert. I am Research and Development Director for Laundry in Europe. For many years, doing laundry was about carrying on big boxes and large quantity of detergent to get the job done. Thanks to scientific innovation, laundry formula have evolved. At Ariel, we've spent more than 50 years of innovation refining our formula through product concentration to deliver smarter cleaning. The secret lies in highly concentrated formula with advanced ingredients. For example, our enzyme tackles the toughest stains even in cold wash using less product per wash. Also, our modern surfactant will work on a wider type of soils. Thanks to all these, we've been able to nearly halve the dosage needed. It is enabled to have more compact packaging that saves tons of material and also help to reduce the carbon footprint of our laundry product. Smaller pack means no loss in cleaning power. You often get more washes per pack. Look at the number of washes icon on each pack to get the true value. So, after decades and decades of innovation, Ariel has delivered more efficient and compact detergent that deliver outstanding cleaning to your laundry.
Always keep away from children.